Okay, so in order to create a Dropbox, you need to be on your home page where you plan on putting it. You go over to where it says Activities, and you click on where it says Dropbox Assignments. Okay, what it does is it's going to create this folders page for you. You might have something here, you might not have something here, it's fine. You're just going to click where it says New Folder. And the Dropbox that you're going to need for tomorrow is for the poem. So I might label mine Out of the Dust Poem Dropbox. It's an individual submission folder. It's not a group submission. Category, it's not really necessary, especially if you don't use your Dropbox a lot. Score should say none, out of should say none, because you're just going to print these out. There's no student view preview, no rubrics to add. You don't really have to click anything else. In the instruction box, I just say things like upload a copy of your poem here. Okay? And then all we do is, I always put in a notification email. This will be really great for you to go back in and see what kids have done it, because if they submit something through the Dropbox, it'll automatically send you an email. So I put mine in there, and then I click Save and Close. Okay, then all you have to do is tell the kids that when they submit, all they have to do when they view it as a student, so if they go home and they click View as Student, well, they won't, but this will show you what they'll see. All they're going to do is click on Activities, just like you did, go to where it says Dropbox, which they should be familiar with. They'll see if you have other ones, they should already have submitted something to them at some point, and then they'll see the new one that's for the Out of the Dust poem. And then all they will do is they will click Add File, they'll upload it from their computer, and click Submit. That's it. The one thing that you can't do, they can't just type their poem in here and submit it. Dropbox requires a file. With no file, it won't submit. That's why in the instructions for the Out of the Dust poem, I said if they don't have Microsoft Word, because some kids don't, they can do it in Google Docs and send it to your Google account, or they can write it on paper. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Best of luck, guys.